Hi there, this is diet and nutrition coach Ashley Hubbard, and in this video I will teach you how to eat healthy to lose belly fat. Let's get straight into it. If you are someone who is carrying a few extra pounds around your midsection, this is quite normal, and it's understandable to want to firm up for a leaner look. While it's not possible to lose all of your belly fat in a week or two, you can lose some of it quickly by losing weight and body fat all over. All you have to do is eat the right foods, cutting calories in the process, amp up your exercise routine and make a few lifestyle changes. While there is no magic bullet that will target abdominal fat in particular, in this video I will give you some advice on how to eat healthy to lose belly fat. Step number 1. Swap refined grains for whole grains. In my research, scientific studies have revealed that people who ate all whole grains, in addition to 5 servings of fruit and vegetables, 3 servings of low-fat dairy, and 2 servings of lean meat, fish or poultry, lost more belly fat than another group that ate the same diet but with all refined grains. Whole grains are high in fibre content, which makes you feel full for longer. This will help you to eat less, which will help you to lose weight, so I suggest you eat more whole grains. I recommend you avoid white grains. For instance, my advice is to eat brown bread, wheat bread, instead of over-processed white bread and favour white brown rice over white rice. Step number 2. Start your day with a healthy breakfast and don't skip it. It might seem counterproductive to you to eat if you're trying to lose belly fat, but as part of my research, studies show that eating breakfast within an hour of waking up keeps your insulin levels steadier and your LDL cholesterol levels lower. To help you build your breakfast plate, I recommend you choose a protein, and some of the best sources include eggs, beans, peanut butter, nuts, and lean meat. My advice is to choose a fibre-rich food, and some of the best foods include oats, fresh fruit, and leafy green vegetables. I recommend you minimise refined sugar with your breakfast, so my advice is to avoid sugary cereal, pancakes, pastries and instant oatmeal. I also suggest you stay away from cereal bars because they are usually smaller in size and they will most likely not fill you up. Oats and other high fibre carbs maintain healthy blood sugar levels, making it easier to lose weight. Step number 3. Reduce calorie consumption in your diet to lose belly fat. Unless you restrict calorie intake, you won't lose belly fat. I recommend you keep track of your daily calorie consumption by using a program such as MyFitnessPal or the USDA Super Tracker to record everything that you eat. I want you to remember that it takes a 3,500 calorie deficit to lose 1 pound of fat. That is, you have to either burn off 3,500 calories through exercise or eat 3,500 calories less than you burn in a week. My advice is to break this up into daily limits. To burn 3,500 calories a week, I recommend you aim to have a 500 calorie deficit every day. For example, you can exercise to burn 250 calories and cut 250 calories from your diet. I suggest you aim to lose a maximum of 2 pounds per week. Losing any more than that can be unhealthy and can lead to a cycle of crash dieting in which you rapidly gain back any lost weight. I would highly recommend you keep a food diary. Most people tend to underestimate how much they eat. You can get an honest assessment of your eating habits by writing down everything you consume for a week. I recommend you utilise an online calorie calculator and figure out roughly how many calories you're consuming in a day. From there, you can see what you can afford to cut out. My advice is to try a diet in which you consume 2,200 calories for men or 2,000 calories for women per day. This should cause a deficit sufficient for you to lose 1 or 2 pounds per week, depending on your activity level. Some women may require lower daily calorie intake, such as 1,800 or 1,500 a day. My advice is to start by limiting yourself to a 2,000 calorie limit per day and lower the limit if you do not see progress. I would also suggest to not consume less than 1,200 calories per day. Is the advice I have given you so far making sense to you? Please let me know in the comments below. Now please don't go anywhere because I still have some more key tips to give you, but if you want a weight loss program to help you reach your weight loss goals, I recommend that you have a look at the bistroMD weight loss diet program. bistroMD is a revolutionary diet food delivery service. They deliver healthy, balanced weight loss meal delivery plans to meet your individual needs. Just click the link below the video right now and it will take you through to the website for the bistroMD weight loss program. I will now give you more advice on how to eat healthy to lose belly fat, so let's take a look. Step number 4, eat more good healthy fats. In my research, I have found that studies suggest that a diet with a higher ratio of monounsaturated fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, soybeans and chocolate can prevent the accumulation of belly fat. Trans fats, which are found in margarines, crackers, cookies or anything made with partially hydrogenated oils, seem to result in more fat being deposited in the abdomen. My advice is to try and avoid these as much as possible. Step number 5. Get more fibre in your diet. Soluble fibre, such as that found in apples, oats and cherries, lowers insulin levels, which can speed up the burning of visceral belly fat. Women should aim to consume 25 grams of fibre per day, while men should aim for 30 grams a day. My advice is to add fibre to your diet slowly. If you are currently getting 10 grams of fibre a day, don't jump to 35 grams of fibre the next day. The natural bacteria in your digestive system requires time to adapt to your new fibre intake. I recommend you eat the skin on your fruits and vegetables. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet adds more fibre, but only if you eat the skin, and that's where the most of the fibre is. I suggest you don't peel those apples before you eat them. With potatoes, my advice is to leave the skin on. With baked or mashed potatoes, or if you peel them, make snacks of them. For example, you can drizzle olive oil, rosemary, salt and garlic on the peels and bake at 205 for 15 minutes for baked Parmesan garlic peels. Keeping the skin on potatoes when cooking them helps keep more vitamins and minerals in the flesh. Just don't eat any parts of the skin that are green. I recommend you eat more split pea soup. Split peas are a fibre power food. Just 1 cup of them contains 16 grams of fibre. Please let me know in the comments below if this advice is helping you. Step number 6. Eat more lean protein at each meal to build muscle faster. My advice is to eat more protein-rich foods. Protein helps build lean muscle mass, which means you'll be burning more calories throughout the day, even while sitting. I recommend you allocate 15 to 20% of your daily caloric intake to lean proteins. Go for a higher percentage if you're physically active most days of the week. My advice is to choose egg whites, fish, chicken, or cuts of red meat with very little marbling or fat. Some of the best non-meat sources of protein that will feed your muscles are tofu, tempeh, seitan, beans, peas, and lentils. So, if you want a weight loss program to help you lose weight, I recommend that you have a look at the bistroMD diet program. bistroMD is a revolutionary diet food delivery service. They deliver healthy, balanced weight loss meal delivery plans to meet your individual needs. Please go ahead and click the link below the video right now and you'll be taken to the website for the bistroMD diet program. I want to recommend the bistroMD weight loss program to you because it has helped hundreds of people across the world lose weight and get results. And I would like you to follow this program so that you can improve your health and reach your weight loss goals. I recommend you take the time to check it out right now. Click the link in the description box below this video for more information about the bistroMD program. Thank you very much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed that. And please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Let us know what you like best in the video in the comments below. Please connect with our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your success in losing weight. Have a great day. Thank you.